Hi guys, my name is Liza and today I'll be going to make a friendship band. First we will need a glitter foam sheet, then a scissor, pencil, scale and two buttons which will be used for closing. So first we'll need the glitter foam sheet. I'll turn it backwards and now I'll need the pencil and the scale and I'll measure it in the size which you want. So I'll just take the size which fits in my hand and I'll just draw a line. And now I'll cut along the lines. After cutting it, something looks like this. Now I'll measure the size of my hand and I'll just cut the underneath part. Now I'll just flip and after that I'll just make a hole on it in both sides, but I'll not cut them. I'll just draw a line and I'll cut this and this line. This is the foam sheet and where I've drawn the circle I'll just cut it, and after making this with the scissors a hole, I'll just cut both the sides a little bit. After making the hole, I'll put this part inside the hole like this, and I'll let this part go inside. Okay, it has somehow go inside. I've did this in both of the parts, and now I'll write here friends. For this project, we will also need the acrylic color. It's the metallic color, pearl metallic color. And I'll open it. And I'll put some on the friends part. I have finished coloring it and it will look something like this. You can give it to your friend and I have closed it. So thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.